Literacy Geeks Writing Practice engages students in a comprehensive, standards-based writing routine that fosters growth and enhances writing performance across subjects. Our blended learning routine encourages students to engage both on and off the computer, combining digital tools with hands-on writing activities to deepen engagement and enhance skill transfer across various writing contexts. Our writing process begins with analyzing the writing prompt. Students have the option to copy the prompt into their notes, so they can break it down by circling directive verbs and underlining what those verbs ask them to do. Students can discuss their markings in small groups, which help them become more independent readers of writing tasks. Once they have carefully read and analyzed the prompt, they can click on the graphic organizer icon at the top of the workspace and view a list of common graphic organizers. The goal is to help students strategically choose the best organizer for the writing task. Students can independently select an organizer or work collaboratively in small groups to determine the best options by closely rereading the writing prompt and task. You can also provide direct instruction and scaffolds to ensure students make the best selection based on the task. Once an organizer has been identified, students should recreate the organizer in their notes. We provide easy step-by-step instructions to help students create and complete their graphic organizers. To further support planning and drafting, our platform includes a digital notepad. Students can use the notepad to outline ideas, track evidence, or brainstorm their writing. You can click Student View at any time to explore these tools and features with students in small groups or whole class settings, ensuring students understand how to maximize their resources. Once students complete their drafts, peer review becomes a pivotal step in the process. Through our unique 3-step collaborative peer review process, designed specifically to foster meaningful collaboration and enhance student ownership over their writing, students develop skills to improve one another's writing, emphasizing clarity, development, task alignment, and purpose. Additionally, this collaborative learning routine develops critical editing skills and fosters a sense of ownership over the writing. After revisions are complete, students utilize our automated proofreading tool to identify errors, enhance spelling and grammar, and meet task expectations. This step is essential as it empowers students to independently refine their writing, reinforcing their understanding of language mechanics and precision. By learning to recognize and correct their mistakes, students not only improve their writing, but also develop long-term skills that will aid them in future writing assignments, enhancing both their confidence and competence as writers. This structured approach to writing not only improves state writing scores by familiarizing students with effective writing strategies, digital tools, and processes, but it also ensures mastery of state standards for writing. By aligning instruction with these standards, students build transferable skills like critical thinking, organization, and attention to detail, empowering them to excel in all writing tasks across various contexts.